Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing the Cougar 600W power supply. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing. I'm gonna tear open this plastic wrapping with a knife. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's around the box. So here on this side, it explains how much power can be drawn in each voltage line. Alright, let's go ahead and open the box. So these are all the power connectors that connect to all the modules and motherboard, and this is the power supply cable. Underneath here there is some ziplock ties for cable management, and there is a user manual that you can read for the information regarding the power supply. Alright, let's go ahead and take the power supply out of here. Alright, so this is the bottom of the power supply. There's this nice Cougar logo, and this is where the cool air is sucked in. And in the side here you have power input and the switch, turn off and on. And in the side you have the same specs of the power supply as you find in the box, how much amperes each voltage line gives. So this is a 600W power supply. It's got 80 plus bronze standard. So you can use 150 watts in 3.3 and plus 5 volts. 540 watts in the 12 volts, and 0.3 amperes in minus 12, and 2.5 amperes in plus 5. In the side you have this really nice Cougar writing and the Cougar logo. Let's have a closer look at all the connectors that the power supply can connect to. So here you have the motherboard connector. This is the PCIe connector for your GPU. This is the CPU power connector, and these are all the SATA power connectors. And this is the second set of SATA power connectors. Alright guys, this comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.